Now see here again the magnetic moment m of a magnetic dipole. So what is the meaning of the magnetic moment? Magnetic moment means, for example, if you have a bar magnet, okay, if you consider a bar magnet like this, so the bar magnet, you know, it is coming under the criteria to be called as magnetic dipole because it has a north pole and because it has a south pole. Then we define a magnetic moment as a vector that is directed from south to north. As later past, you have seen about the that what is known as the electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment is what? It is a vector that is pointing from that negative charge to the positive charge, pe. Just recall it. In the similar manner, we have the magnetic dipole moment that is pointing from the south to north. So it is like this. You can represent it by like this. So this is a magnetic dipole moment. It is a vector quantity and it is the property of a magnetic dipole. Magnetic dipole moment is a property of a magnetic dipole which is pointing from south to north, and it is represented by the letter that is small m. Now in the case every magnetic dipole, say this is the, first of all we have the bar magnet, okay. So this bar magnet is having a magnetic dipole. In the similar manner we are having say solenoid. So the solenoid is also falling under the criteria to be called as magnetic dipole. So it has also got a magnetic dipole moment, okay. Solenoid is also having a magnetic dipole moment. Now see how it is now there. Now the coil is from like this, say I am showing some turns in the turns of coil here. So this is the solenoid, and you say that there exists a magnetic dipole because this becomes, current is passing like this, current is passing like this, then becomes the north pole, this becomes south pole. Then at once I will say that there is a magnetic dipole, that is M, that is pointing from south to north. Now in the similar manner, if you take third one as circular loop. So circular loop, how the circular looks. So this is a circular loop, and the circular loop is carrying current say I. Like this. Now here we have to find the magnetic dipole. Now for that purpose, what we do, the direction of magnetic dipole in case of current carrying circular loops can be found by this our right hand palm. Just to put the palm here, you just put this curling fingers in the direction of current. You see the thumb, you take the right hand palm, put the curling fingers in the direction of current. Now this is the thumb. This thumb points in the direction of magnetic moment. So what happens, the thumb points in the direction of magnetic moment means at once you should know it here that there exists a north pole here. So thus what happens, in the case of a current carrying circular loop, we have the magnetic moment vector as pointing like this, okay. North pole there, and in the back side there is a south pole, okay. This is the case. And if you are just want to say this third, the fourth point, the fourth one about this the rectangular coil. So it is also having a magnetic dipole. So this is a rectangular coil, looks like this, having a multi-turn coil or a single-turn coil, but it looks like this. Now this rectangular coil is carrying the current say I, like this it will carry the current. Now the current, what is the rule of finding the magnetic dipole? You take the right hand, you take the palm of the right hand and these curling fingers put it in the direction of current, then the thumb will point in the direction of magnetic dipole moment, that is the magnetic dipole moment is represented by this one M. Remember this M is perpendicular to the plane of the coil. M is perpendicular to the plane of the coil. This plane of the coil and M दोनों को दोनों क्या होना चाहिए, परपेंडिकुलर होना चाहिए. So this represent is. अभी आपको बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जानना है इसमें कि what is the magnitude of this magnetic moment, ये जानना है आपको. What is the magnitude of this magnetic moment? The magnitude of the magnetic moment is given by current multiplied by area of the coil, okay. जो भी करंट इसमें जा रहा है और इसका जो एरिया है, ये अगर इसकी मान लो A है, तो करंट के साथ A का मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो क्या मिलता है, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ दिस मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट. एंड व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ दिस कम्स, it comes to be ampere into meter square, okay. So what all things, the summary part you just see it, I have just brought a model for you. Now you see this is the coil, you know, this is a coil, a rectangular coil I have taken. Okay, rectangular coil में देखो बेटा एक तरफ से करंट घुसता है, देखो करंट जहां से घुसेगा वहां मैंने क्या दिखाया है, क्रॉस दिखाया, और ये घुस कर करंट घुस कर क्या होगा, करंट यहाँ से बाहर आएगा, तो मैं क्या क्या दिखाया, डॉट। तो करंट घुसना क्रॉस एंड करंट आना बाहर में जो है डॉट है। फिर मैंने क्या किया बताओ, अब करंट ऐसे ऐसे जा रहा है ना, तो आई विल टेक द राइट हैंड पाम एंड पुट इट हियर लाइक दिस, कर्लिंग फिंगर्स दिखाएगा, देखो ये वाला देखो, दिस इज द थंब पॉइंट डायरेक्शन, सो दिस इज द मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट। ओके, so this is a rectangular coil, current is entering here, current is coming out here, and the magnetic moment is like this. You see the magnetic moment is perpendicular to the plane of the coil. It should be perpendicular to the, it is perpendicular to the plane of the coil. Okay, okay, the next teachings we will be seeing how to find the torque on a current carrying conductor placed in a uniform B field. Okay.